In this video, I will give you some ideas for websites that you can make. Of course, you will not be the only person watching these videos, so I suggest you only use this video for inspiration. Don't be one of the 20 people trying to develop exactly what I suggest here. So let's get on with it. One idea for a website is that you scrape information from all the health diagnosing websites. Say you scraped 10 websites that have information about pneumonia, amongst many other diseases and diagnoses. What you can create is a website that displays all the information in one place. Of course, if you copied the entire text and displayed it, you would have copyright issues and Google might consider it as duplicate content, even if you're presenting 10 websites text on one and the same page. What I'm suggesting is that you, for example, show the meta descriptions from each of those pages, or perhaps the first 2 sentences of the content from each of the pages. And then after that, you have a read more link that links to the original page. That way your subpage has some value because it collects all the good diagnosing sites info about a specific disease or diagnose and presents them on your page. So everybody wins. You drive traffic to those websites by linking to them, and Google will help you get traffic to yours because you all of a sudden have good content on hundreds or thousands of diagnoses that each have their own subpage. If you're understanding some of what I'm saying, but not completely understanding what I mean, that's good, because that means that you're going to use your own imagination, make your own twist, and potentially create something unique and original and make some money from it. Another idea could be to create a website where the user can enter a URL and get full information about the design that the website uses, simply by scraping their CSS file. You can find out about their fonts, what they use, the colors they use, the color combinations, the H tag sizes and the sizes of this and that. You can present all of this beautifully to the website user. You know what else you can do? Go to alexa.com and find the list for the top 1 million websites which Alexa gives out freely. Create a script that for each of those websites scrapes their CSS and generates a subpage with a report about their design. That means 1 million subpages of useful content. But don't do just that. Do some program calculations on all the scraped content. And then present that information, like how many of those top 1 million websites have a blue background, how many of them use a font size of 16 on their H1 tags, so on and so on. The possibilities are endless when you have all that content in your database. The only limitation is your creativity. In this video, I presented 2 ideas for possible websites. But what I'm really trying to get across here is a mindset. And the mindset is one where you see what is available on the internet and how you can use that by scraping it, doing something useful with it, and then presenting it to your visitors. Keep that in mind and be careful that you're not infringing on copyright laws. But other than that, let your imagination run free. I'll see you in the next video.